Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is abscond. It is pronounced abscond and is spelt A-B-S-C-O-N-D. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Abscond is a verb that means to leave hurriedly or secretly, typically to avoid detection of or arrest for an unlawful action, such as theft. It is often used to describe someone running away from a crime or escaping from a place they are not supposed to be. For example, you could say, "The thief absconded with the stolen jewels," or "The prisoner absconded from jail." The word abscond comes from the Latin word abscondere, which means to hide away. In the story of Aladdin, the titular character absconds from the guards after stealing some food. However, he is captured, leading him to discover the magic lamp and embark on a thrilling adventure. Synonyms for abscond include flee, escape, run away, and disappear. Antonyms for abscond include remain, stay, and surrender. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, abscond. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.